Oyawre, arwaki e mbui mar loko Kisungu obed dholuo. Akwayo ni mondo iluwa, subscribe sani. Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel, which helps you translate English to Luo. We would like you to help us with subscribing right now.
That's not the correct thing. It's okay. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following this channel. Today we want to talk about sentence formation skills. Sentence formation skills. And we've done previous videos about this. You can search through our channel in the playlists and see what we've done so far. So we shall just continue with what we've been doing. It's a tough process, but this is how we have to do it. We just have to form sentences. So she'll be reading and then trying to think what that is, and then if she's wrong, I'll try to give her the correct thing. Start.
Jawer wer mamet. The singer sings
Beautifully.
Yes.
Jawer wer mamet. Jawer wer mamet. Jawer is a singer from the video that we talked about in nouns video. Good.
Japuonj otingo book kod kalam. The teacher carried a book and a kalam and a pencil.
Japuonj otingo book kod kalam. Japuonj is teacher. Teacher is carrying a book. Book is book. And kalam, a pen, pencil or a pen. Teacher carrying book and pen. Japuonj otingo book kod kalam. You're good at this now. You're famous.
Jatelo okelo kony ne jotuo.
Read it again.
Jatelo okelo kony ne jotuo.
What does it mean?
The leader brought a sick patient.
Okay, he brought something to the sick patient. What did he bring?
He brought with him. He went.
Konya.
Oh, he helped.
Yes, the leader has brought aid or has brought help to the sick person. So that's how you see. You have to recall from what you already know. If you know that konya is help, then kony would be something to do with help.
Okil kamaloka odonje od doho. I know odonje is entering. Od is home.
Or house.
Yeah.
So, what do you think this means? Okil kamaloka odonjo e od doho. So, what would od doho mean?
Od doho.
Why would a lawyer get into some place?
And a court.
Yes, see? So, the lawyer has entered the court. So, okil kamaloka odonjo e od doho. The lawyer has entered the court. See? So that's how you just recall what you think might happen first.
Jatugo otingo mpira adula. The player is carrying a ball.
Yes, the player is carrying a ball. Jatugo otingo mpira. Jatugo otingo mpira.
Jalweny otingo bunde. Someone has carried a gun.
Who is someone? Jalweny is who is Jalweny?
Jalweny, the artisan.
Why would an artisan carry a gun?
No, not an artisan. Police.
Well, okay, maybe police, but Jalweny is not police. Soldier?
Yes.
Soldier. Remember, Jalweny is soldier, so the soldier is carrying a gun.
Yes.
Jalweny is carrying, but at least you're next to. You have known that Bunda is gun, which is good enough.
Nyamrerwa, konyo, miyo, matuo. I know konyo is help, miyo is giving. Someone helped by giving something. Nyamrerwa. Artisan. Doctor. Nurse. The nurse helped by giving medicine.
Now, Miyo is a mother who's just given birth.
Oh.
So this is a new word. So the same thing, Miyo is giving. But Miyo is a mother who's given birth. So the nurse is helping a mother, the sick mother. In this case, the sick. Matuo. Remember Jatuo? Matuo. Jatuo. Miyo Matuo. A sick mother. Okay? Nyamrerwa konyo miyo matuo. So, and then this?
Jatwengo o ero osechako twango nanga.
What does it mean?
Chako I know is start. Ose is.
Now, chako is start. Nanga, what is nanga?
Painting.
Nanga.
Drawing. Oh, start.
Clothes.
The tailor has started shonering.
Shonering. The tailor started sewing.
Sewing.
Sewing or sewing, whatever.
Sewing.
Sewing a cloth.
Yes.
So jatwengo osechako, ero osechako twango nanga. Can you go through them?
Jatwengo ero osechako twango nanga. Nyamrerwa konyo miyo matuo. Jalweny otingo bunde. Jatugo otingo mpera or
Adula. Mpira is called adula. Mpira is just the Swahili version of adula. Okay.
Okil kamaloka odonjo e od doho.
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 Doho. Jatelo okelo kony en ne. Jatelo okelo kony ne jotuo. Japuonj otingo book kod makalam. And jawer mamit.
Jawer mamit.
Jawer mamit.
Good. Finish up.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post every...
When we post it.
Yeah, when we post it. So, you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary and make sure you ask some questions or concerns or yeah. For now, Oriti, goodbye.